Well, if we eat a lot, remember, we also have to keep our bodies clean, inside too.
Wait, inside clean? Like giving our tummies a bath? Baba, I could eat forever.
But do you know what happens after your body uses that food?
Stay hydrated, Mina, that's good. We need water to keep our body clean.
So breathing out is also a cleanup? I'm all sweaty. My body's leaking.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Have you ever wondered what happens to the waste inside our bodies? In this video, we'll dive into the body systems that help remove waste, keeping us clean and healthy from the inside out.
Camping, tents, and starry skies. And a lot of snacks.
Well, if we eat a lot, remember, we also have to keep our bodies clean, inside too.
Wait, inside clean? Like giving our tummies a bath?
Haha. Not quite. But our body does have a cleanup team. You'll see soon.
Baba, I could eat forever.
But do you know what happens after your body uses that food?
It turns into energy?
Correct. But some of it turns into waste, like trash in a house.
And where does that trash go?
That's where our excretory system comes in. It throws out all the waste we don't need.
Stay hydrated, Mina, that's good. We need water to keep our body clean.
Why though? I'm not dirty.
Ah, but inside your body, the kidneys are working hard to clean your blood. They take out extra water, salts, and something called urea, then turn it into urine.
So when I go pee, that's my kidneys doing their job?
Exactly. Pee is just your body's way of saying, cleanup complete.
What happened to you, big brother?
I'm out of breath. My lungs are working extra hard now.
But lungs breathe, right? What does that have to do with waste?
Great question. Every time we breathe out, we release a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Our lungs help get rid of it.
So breathing out is also a cleanup?
Yes, that's why deep breathing is healthy.
I'm all sweaty. My body's leaking.
That's your skin helping out. Sweat removes water and salts and cools your body down.
So my sweat is like trash juice?
Well, in a way. Your skin is part of your excretory team too.
I still don't get how our body knows what's trash.
That's the smart part. Our liver helps too. It breaks down old red blood cells and harmful stuff into urea, which the kidneys can toss out.
And deep inside the kidneys, tiny things called nephrons act like super filters.
Wow, like little machines inside me?
Yup. All working to keep your body clean and balanced. Homeostasis.
Today, we learned that our body has a cleanup crew.
That's right. Let's see. Kidneys filter blood and make urine. Bladder stores the urine. Skin makes sweat. Lungs remove gases. Liver helps break harmful stuff.
And they all keep your body safe and strong. If they didn't work, waste would stay inside and make you sick.
So every time I pee, breathe, or sweat, I should say, thanks, Team Excretion. This camping trip was fun and brainy.
While eating snacks, remember, it's not just about food, it's about what comes after too.
Thanks to our excretory system, we're clean inside and out.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about excretory system? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What does the excretory system do? A. Gives us energy. B. Cleans waste from the body. C. Helps us grow. The excretory system is the body's cleanup crew. So the right answer is B. Cleans waste from the body. What part of the body removes extra water and salts by making sweat? A. Kidneys. B. Skin. C. Lungs. Skin keeps your body cool and releases salty sweat, so the correct answer is B. Skin. Which organ filters blood and makes urine? A. Liver. B. Bladder. C. Kidneys. When your blood needs a cleanup, your kidneys come to the rescue, so the correct answer is C. Kidneys. What waste gas do we breathe out through our lungs? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. Breathe in fresh oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Your lungs know exactly what to do. So the correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. What tiny filters inside the kidneys help clean the blood? A. Nephrons. B. Alveoli. C. Veins. Inside your kidneys are millions of tiny superheroes called nephrons. So the correct answer is A. Nephrons. Next time, get ready to explore how your body senses the world and helps you move. It's all about perception and motion. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.